Bor Kapatisi TV Kabul ka machine ka balas nakarpang ka ba kamskem kamstet kamklan bat baduna bam umpnia
If you're having a good time, say oh yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the greatest show on earth. We got some of the most amazing dancers from around the world tonight.
Sawkmie, Yes, family of Morai constituency. So welcome, sir, in their midst. Students of society are welcoming him. Let us give him a huge round of applause.
Phadar Teles Forest Nonglang, Bapti Sawkmie. Emily Berim, Creation Bynta ko Food and Fun Fair Jong Secret Heart Boys High Secondary School Molai. Lapin longkum si Bynta, ban bin mi bisa na Bynta ka jingdan kamba pera Jong School. Kumukong san Phadar Teles, ubede Molai Parish Priest ula play kini ka Food and Fun Fair baut lapin paru boba piti Sawkmie udi porlok bayajan bahabarki. Katban ka liang ubab Sawkmie lakin tu ki kina school. Kerpang na Bynta ka Food and Fun Fair lakin om kunay ya pisa bla ay dek make pa bat ban penut thi jing thi na Bynta ban pin mi pisa ya jingan kam Jong ka school. Lapin paru ka jing Sawkmie wala long shu kumu MLA hindi kipat ba ka kan mau i ya mati Jong u. Haka ni sngi laidan lang Phadar Theo Bor Carson Theo principal ka Secret Heart Boys Higher Secondary School kino hikai ki kina school bat kiwe.
We know this is part and parcel of our school, not only to raise funds for the various needs of the development of the school, but also as a spirit of generosity. Then we have contributed a little bit of your might, as Sir P.T. Sawkmie has said, for whatever the school requires. If you look around, you will see the developments that has been brought into the school. And one monument is just in front of me and behind you. Now I'm sure, in spite of the rain, in spite of the wind, in spite of the cold, you will benefit from this. And many other things I'm sure the principal and the management of the school will like to bring in order to improve the facilities of this school. Let us therefore, before we begin this day, implore God's blessing as we have already prayed, that God may continue to bless you, bless all your endeavors, especially bless the plans and projects of the principal, vice principal, the management and all the teachers, and with your cooperation, dear students.
Against them, Egi Barbat, young with love and affection, and you still remember me. Benegar who he be, Wangim Nananga Jigri Gorjan, but the principal, Agipor Manshua, Nega Sawkmie, Managana principal in the power Yagajimi, Barga Sawkmie, Managana Jaga School, Nagana citizen. And say that Father Jong is permanent, dedicated, sacrifice, number of Īashim, number of Borok Jong, but to the institution that we have been having in our state. Very good food and apply for peace. I get you got here. While I got Paniaga and a polish, Polish more like a head. For more support activities, give a Nagana of a polish done. Nagare which I'm seeing, Nagare Nagare school, but anyway, the Nagare Polish Peace for Shah, the board with me, but I get you Shabi Bokha. Bridge Pune, Nagapata, Jong School, Patana School. Abanga Kashko, Sikawan, Nasiasto, Itimban, Muban Katia. Kashko, Skidiaru, Jado, Jadi, Batum, Itimban, Kilaya. So, seeing it in Palm Sudan, the happening of poor Bata, the one having stepped down by the palm, but his camp, Spaghetti of this opinion, very the Singan, yang mo dengan bam sebut nama dari food fest ini semua ada di sini bukan food fest nah berkait dengan fun and games Jadi tu juga sekolah nak bata di projek PRF. Abang yang ni kuat bata. Menurutnya pada mana ni jaga kami sendiri kalau bagai mereka hall berdekat petuni ke mana muka. It is a miracle that God has blessed your institution. Karena ni kan excam kan di hall. Ada excam kan di mana jemaah PRF ni kuat bata. Small contribution that we have contributed from our side in this festival. It is fun. Kita nak for the school. Pada skam kalau dia nak pergi hingga suatu tempat, skam dari kita school kerja show bibuan project. Di Phadar jadi institusi Jong dan kontribut sebuah nak bertajuk institusi di badan apa kerja lah badan India di badan awal. Amolai Jong itu institusi di Phadar jadi dan satu sebuah. Paling sekali nak ketemu nak bertajuk ini nak berkongsi mengenai sekali nak bertajuk di ulang salam pada hari sama di Jong. Itu hamil keluar berta. Baru kita nak iwan hari keluar. Islam email kita yang pun sekali kita sebabnya dia berkunjung di dekat sekolah poskor. Di negara Jong and your PC for design book popular yang penting mendapat api gelap apa gelap penduduk orang bisa show negara kita apa juga yang saving boys and girls kita nak ibarat pertiap untuk naik dengan apa negara sini berta nak ada joki dengan ai bisa sepi bani ya babja di Asia banyak kan semua nak sini sebab penduduk bisa pakai Itulah saya pada yang masif yang bisa jadi dalam feature joki. Nama dari semua juga school bertolong ini dengan fun and dia food festival tak kita respond. Kita juga part dari Jong. Dengar usaha yang kuat maka suara orang ini lagi kena ngaruh dengan orang India resort. Pasal suara mana yang principal. Jaga donation nak ada juga saya nak buka kali program. Hari nanti support si kena kita sebut pada nanti sebut work lah kepada di Sawkmie. Pada ini pun ada tadi prinsip macam atau donation dengan air yang juga sini. Kemudian kerja pemata nak mereka yang ada food festival untuk nak ada job. Beli itu, beli school, long live for Second Boys High Secondary School.
Kahausi Yo Allah balap ketikat Kabami baro pandai ke jompi Kakti kabami Jong Kabami baro pandai ke jompi
Alright, we have the next song that is on the way.
This is the first result for the instant lucky draw ticket. This is the first result for the instant lucky draw ticket. The lucky winner is one from here. Please listen carefully to the number. The lucky winner is Damir Pinkman from class 6B. Damir Pinkman from class 6B. Thank you, sir.
Come on.